news is my C connectors to USB connectors, which of course is going to be um, labeled in a different fashion. Consider the fact that we're going from a female C connector to a male USB connector, and that actually is in the description, which I'm actually kind of glad it was, because at one point I had to go back and take a look at the order to make sure that's what I purchased. So so I had to open up the other two network cards so I could permanently have these adapters put on the actual network cards. Okay. So first of all, we are going to go into Device Manager. You know what? I'd rather do it this way because I hate when Windows does that. I usually delete all those, but I'm not doing that right now. So Control Panel, Network Adapters, or Network Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna leave that as it is. I'm gonna plug these in. Plug one in actually, and see. And of course, it's black in the USB hole, so I can't see which direction it goes. But I figured it out. Okay, so something did pop up. Yes. Okay, so I gotta go find it. So, and we're going to go find it. So just give me a second. Okay, so here we go. It's an ASIC. Okay, that brings me back in the day when I used to use um, these USB. So it's these two. So I'm gonna go ahead and rename this one. Rename. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Let's go to properties. This is weird. I can't rename it. Alright, let's try disabling it first. Which I can't even do that. There it goes. Disable. Rename. Huh. Okay. Not cool. I'm wondering if this... No. Hold on for a second. I hope this is not like a Windows Pro thing. Um, but you know what? I'm fine with that. I got Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 3. Okay, so now we're going to go into... Yeah, let's go inside. Come on. So I got PC1, PC2. I'm going to go under... Edit. And Virtual Network Edition. Oh, editor, sorry. Now, okay, look, this is not a virtual VM thing, lesson, so I'm just going to go through this. Administrative privileges are required for networking. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and delete these. I don't want no netting. I don't want no DHCP. Okay, and bridge to adapter 2 and 3. So we're going to make this one to 3. apply. Okay. That's funny because this says Ethernet 3 and this says Ethernet 2, but 2 is actually in. See, that's why I like renaming my stuff. I gotta figure that out later. So now we're gonna go back into. Am I doing this right? I don't think I have to be on the tab of the virtual machine, but I guess I do. Add network. VM0. Okay. It's funny how one already had 3 networks and this one doesn't have any. And we are going to select this. And wait a minute. Change settings. And bridge to network 2. Now wait a minute. Hold up. Did I do that wrong? You got 2 and 3. This one wants to be. This is going to. No, I'm doing this right. Again, another reason why I like naming my stuff. Okay, so now. Okay, so let's go in. Our settings here. And network adapter. We're bridging this. But what are we bridging it to? No, I don't think I want to do that. So let's stop that. And you're gone? Oh, okay. So they are. So I need to actually change this to you. Apply. And go here. I guess it is based on a tab by tab basis. I wonder if it ever is even taking it because it's giving me that stupid this should be number 2. Okay. Apply. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is see if this is actually working here by unplugging some of these adapters here. Come on, all these cables. You and you. Come on. Let's see if they actually turn on. And it does. Okay. All right. So now, okay. So let's unplug that. And notice only one came on. And now we're going to test the other one and make sure that the other one comes on. Okay. All right, now good. Then that's physically in our Windows, not in our VMs. So what we're going to do is go into our VMs. Okay, so now here's the problem. Okay, we told it to mimic our physical state, and I'm not seeing that. So let's go into edit. All right. Um, okay. You know what? I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try to pause this and pause this. Yo, I don't like that at all. But you know, at least it gave me a warning. Um, I just don't like that at all. That I have to go into and run VMware as an administrator because of my network settings. That's just ridiculous. But nonetheless, okay, we're gonna try one of these network adapters. Okay, neither one of them came on. Okay, and it should be this one. All right, unless it didn't take any of my settings. So let's go into here. No, it's there now. See, originally it wasn't there. I had to click on change settings. Okay, so it is there, and it is bridged to this. Okay, now, is there something else that I'm missing? Because we have this network adapter bridge. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, so I feel there's something I'm missing here. So let's click on settings. Network. I am. I am missing that. Okay, so let's go ahead. Click there. Let's go over to here. Settings. NIC adapter. Custom. Okay. Alright. So now this should I just did. Okay, so let's unplug it. Okay, no, it's not acting right. Okay, so we're going to close this. I don't like the fact that they're on. Let's go back to I can't even go into the settings. All right, so. All right, so for right now, this is a bus. Welcome to labbing. So until I figure that out, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.